if you're actually putting resources into making the current state better, again, you may be able to justify that this is research and development. Hey, my loyal viewer, we're back again with the mustache, the red shirt, and you know exactly what that means. Same thing as last time. The research and development tax credit, that's right, we're going to talk a little bit about this today. I just want small businesses to understand that it's available to them. It is a bigger thing to undertake, and make sure you document if you need to do it, but you do need to know if you're in the right spot to be able to take it. So let's take a look at some of that information real quick. Now, in general, what is the research and development tax credit? Easy answer. It's a tax credit businesses can claim for investing in innovation. So you think you're putting resources towards making something better within your company. It's very general, right? But if you're doing that, you could be eligible for the research and development tax credit if you're running a business. Now, our brass tax item on this one, a percentage of qualifying research and development expenses are allowed to reduce your taxes when you're doing this credit. And so what are a few examples of what that could mean for specific industries? If you're in manufacturing, that could be improving processes, improving quality of your products, improving your waste management. If you're actually putting resources into making the current state better, again, you may be able to justify that this is research and development. Another example might be the food industry. If you're making new products or investing in new products, new processes for those products to get them out there, you could very well be participating in research and development that can make you eligible for this tax credit. And then think about service platforms, technology platforms that sell software. If you're developing and improving that software, you're inherently in a spot where you're going to be doing research and development. You're going to be eligible for this tax credit. What are some expenses that might go into the calculation of this credit for you if you take it? Wages, supplies, contracted research, meaning those you pay to do research on your behalf, software development, again, whether you're doing it directly on the software, implementing software costs to contribute to the improvement of processes at your company, something like that. Again, you're in the realm where you should be considering these things. You might be eligible for the credit itself. Now, what's important for somebody who is taking this? Your documentation has to be pristine. That's where working with a firm who takes care of stuff like this, who does the research and development tax credit as a part of their business, is going to be really helpful. You'll very likely work with someone like that if you're undertaking this. Just make sure it's something that you understand and you're on top of as you get to that part of the process. And one key benefit of doing this is that if you are able to register a loss with this credit, you're actually able to carry it forward, meaning if you take the research and development tax credit, it takes you below zero taxable income. You would actually be able to carry over any of that credit that still remained after taking your income to zero. And you'll be able to carry that forward into future years and offset income. This was just a general high-level video. Really what you need to know as a business owner is just if you're in the ballpark to be eligible for this credit, because it will be something you want to take if you are. You don't need to know the details behind it. Just make sure you understand the timing of when you need to be reaching out and maybe asking about getting something like this done.